How to turn on or off mono audio in Windows 11. Did you know Windows 11 has a mono audio feature that combines stereo sound into one channel? It's perfect if you have partial hearing loss or prefer using a single speaker. In this video, we'll show you a few easy ways to turn it on whenever you need it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Configure mono audio via settings. If you're setting up through remote desktop or prefer a self-service option, this is the method for you. Just make sure you have system access before starting. To do this, open Settings from Search or press Win+I. Go to System, Sound. Under Output, locate Mono Audio directly or click Advanced Sound Settings and then select More Sound Settings. Toggle mono audio on or off. The change applies immediately to the active user profile. Method 2. Configure mono audio via Registry. Advanced users can use these steps on personal or managed devices, perfect when GPO isn't available. Press Win+R, type regedit, and hit OK to open the registry editor. Go to this path, HKey, current user, \software, \Microsoft, \multimedia, \audio. If it's missing, create the required key. Next, find or create a D-word 32-bit value named Accessibility Mono Mix State. Set its value to 1 to turn mono audio on, or 0 to turn it off. Then close the registry editor. Method 3. Configure mono audio via a PowerShell script. PowerShell helps automate tasks and manage software deployment. For this method, open PowerShell from Search and choose Run as Administrator. To enable mono audio, enter the following command. To disable mono audio, enter this command. Mono audio in Windows helps improve accessibility and the overall listening experience. It's also useful for troubleshooting or when dealing with hardware limitations. By default, sound is set to stereo, but users can easily switch to mono in settings. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to turn on or off mono audio, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.